36 this court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking around, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Dewan Dickerson, ticket number SP 1260113, count 1, exhibit replica facsimile firearms. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
I'm Daniel Wozak, P35225. Mr. Dickerson, will you please tell the judge your name?
Dewan Dickerson.
Your Honor, he'd like to accept an offer for delayed sentence status.
All right, raise your right hand. Oh, and the court will set aside the warrant. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dickerson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Wozak, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 6, 2021 at 9:09 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near 7 Mile in Shaftesbury in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you exhibit a replica or facsimile firearm?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Wozak?
Yes, Judge, I am.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Dickerson, so you have 3 months to pay a fine of $200. During that 3-month time, you can't get any more tickets, so essentially no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date, which is May 26th at 8:35, this will be dismissed off your record if you've done all that's been asked of you. Again, which is paying the fine and no tickets. So you pay $200, come back on May 26th at 8:35, and this will be dismissed. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so you are all set.
Okay,
Good
thank
luck to
you.
you.
Thank you. Have a great day. You be safe.
You too, sir, thank you. People versus Ladisha Rouse, ticket number SP 1357073, count 2, drive-by license, suspended repeat offender. I'm sorry, count 1 rather is no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 is drive-by license, suspended repeat offender. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
I'm Daniel Wozak for the defendant. Ms. Rose, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Yes, LaDeja Rouse.
Today's the day and time set for trial. Officer Clayton Neal has not appeared. I am moving to dismiss both tickets.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rouse. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, this is the People versus Michael Doss. Ticket number SP 1069683, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number U32635016, count 1 is for lead conduct. Ticket number 05209992, count 1, operating under influence liquor. Ticket number 184182110, count 1, no operator's license on person, and count 2, no misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
I'm Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Doss, will you tell the judge your name?
Michael Doss.
Your Honor, I do want to point out that the ticket ending in, or the ticket number 5209921, that was issued in 2003. Would you consider an ex parte motion to dismiss that ticket? Otherwise, he's just going to set everything for a bench trial. We could wait until then to see if there's any recollection.
Yeah, it's a state case. I mean, it's probably gonna get this anyway. Yeah, the court will just, you stipulate the probable cause as the ticket number 05209921.
Yes, Judge, we'll stipulate.
All right, so that matters since it's not prejudice.
The other matters also, one of them involves alcohol. We're gonna ask that they all be set for trial, Judge. He'll waive jury.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Doss. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to, I'm sorry, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for March 7th at 9 o'clock. You have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, so you're all set.
Good luck, Mr. Doss. I hope your power comes on soon.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir.
Dandridge, could you stay in the video, please? Aaron Dandridge.
This is the People versus Aaron Dandridge, ticket number SP 1380915, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
I'm Daniel Wozak on her behalf. Ms. Dandridge, tell the judge your name, please.
Aaron Dandridge.
Your Honor, she's requesting a 30-day adjournment of the pretrial. She's going to contact Secretary of State and see if she can get her license straightened out.
I give her 2 weeks. For a
Whatever
pretrial.
you can do, Judge, that as long as she can get some time to get a hold of the Secretary of State.
So normally it would be March 10th. I won't be here on the 10th. So instead we'll do the 13th, March 13th at 8:35.
Ms. Dandridge, did you hear that? March 13 at 8:35.
Okay,
All right, good luck with Secretary of State. Try and get on it quickly because your court date's been shortened a little bit, okay?
thank you.
All right, take care. Have a good day. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I'm just going to jump in some breakout rooms and see who's still there. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Could we? Oh. God. Could you do the interpreter so we can get them out the way, then break our room 17?
Yeah.
Mr. Wozak? So we can't break our room 17.
We got a couple left. And some of these options we can let go. Like Malika Robinson, she didn't check me, did
Who?
she? She did check me. Oh, Malika Robinson did check me.
Yes.
That's me, that, she off.
He's real late too. Yeah, I guess.
That's the question.
So. She's got a lot of tickets. She's on page 2 and 3.
I see.
I mean, 1 and 2. Okay, Miss Daphne, why are you late?
I was having a hard time, and then I'm a single mother. I was having a hard time getting in.
Oh. Miss Daphne, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. While you're in that breakout room, do not answer your phone, text, or let it die out on you because it can kick you out of the meeting.
Okay,
And since you're late, we don't want to lose you, because once I lock this room, you're gonna be able to
understandable,
it'll be a 1 for your arrest. 2,
understandable.
okay, and 2, be mindful the judges on the bench, so when the judge on the bench can be walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, you gotta act like you're in court. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 18. No, breakout room 19.
Officer Latu, good morning. Cornel Riaz did not appear. We'll take you.
Okay, thank you.
She appeared, but she just left.
We can, we're still on live, but you can open up court. We can do this.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking around, talking, reading, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Toya Denham, ticket number SP 1214791, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
I'm Daniel Wozak on her behalf. Ms. Denham, please tell the judge your name.
Toya Denham.
Today's the day and time set for trial, Judge. No officer was indicated on my docket. I'm going to move to dismiss both tickets.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock at 10:12. No officers have appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Denham.
Thank you.
I want to know what happened to Miss Reyes, because she did come. So,
I'm
Miss-
set to leave.
Yes, you can leave, Ms. Denham.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Rye, okay, I have a few.
Miss Reyes is in breakout room 18.
Yes. She's set for trial today, but some of the officers are here on that matter. So I needed,
Sorry. I got rid of one.
oh, really? No, they were,
Okay, well.
it's set for
she could-
trial, and I'll tell you who was here. 2 of the officers on it were here.
Yeah,
And-
she could plead to fail to display.
On which one? Because Latouche was here and Hampton was here, but there was no officers on Ayala and Thornton.
Yeah, Latouf was here and Ayala was here.
Yeah,
She could plead a issue with 2 fail to displays.
failed to displays on which one? That would be
Both of
on 4-1 and 2-1, or which one?
On both of them, and I'll waive the fine for one of them.
I know, but which file numbers is, oh, you mean driving while license, you mean both of the driving while license suspended? Or, oh, you mean one for Latouche and one for Hampton will be failed to display, and then the rest will be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, got it. What about on Barbara Rothstein? I see she's got 2 matters set for trial. The officers are not here. That's Goyens.
Yeah.
At another count, number 7-1, there's no officer listed.
Yeah, it'll be dismissed, officers here.
Oh, so no, so Rothstein can be dismissed.
Yes.
Got it. And then Denard is ready. And then Malika Robinson, she emailed me some of the documents. I know there's an officer here on the registration.
The only officer that's here for Malika Robinson is Bennett for the no insurance. So
Yeah.
does she have insurance?
She has the registration and she has the license, but she doesn't have the insurance. That's the one she doesn't have.
It'll be improper plates. Everything else will be dismissed.
Okay, improper plates, that is no points, non-obstructable, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay, fine. All right, let me go talk to them. And Denard is ready.
We did Denard,
You did, Denard?
Christopher Denard.
Yeah.
Yes, he took a plea.
Oh,
Mr.
he took-
Marsack represented him.
Oh, okay, I spoke to him. All right, never mind. It doesn't matter. Okay, he was ready. Okay. All right, let me go speak to, all right, so it's going to be improper plates from Malika. We're gonna dismiss Barbara. And Cornelia will do 2 counts of failure to display. Okay,
Okay, Miss, Counsel, Sokowski, are you ready with your client, Mr. Dako?
I've been, well, I don't represent, oh, yes, I do represent Mr. Dako. I've been sitting in the waiting room for a good chunk of time and there's been no prosecutor.
Judge,
I have another hearing.
I didn't see you. That was my fault. The offer is a 6-month delayed sentence on, B129111.
Your Honor, he practices medicine and the problem with taking a delayed sentence is the actual conviction itself to begin with. And so, I mean, I think that once I get a chance to talk to the prosecutor, the remedial measures that he took may justify a further reduction. So I wanted that opportunity first. Otherwise, we just want to ask for discovery and then an adjournment to get discovery. This is our first hearing. There's a civil case. He's been civilly sued, Judge. He's been civilly sued.
We'll adjourn this for a pretrial. We'll set it for.
I'm bring him out.
We'll set it for March 24th at 8:35 for a pretrial. We'll go on the record though.
Okay, let me tell him to get to the courtroom.
Do you want Ms. Horn's information, the prosecutor?
Yes, Judge, please.
And Mr. Dako is out.
Yeah, I see him right there. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
I can give you her. Oh, here, I can, I'll chat you her information.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, she didn't log in. She just came to the courtroom briefly.
Yeah, and I'm really sorry that I jumped back into the main courtroom, but I've got a conflict right now.
You're fine. I didn't even see you in there.
Your Honor, my client is telling me that he's going to be out of the country until March 26th. Could you give us the soonest date after that?
This is their email address. Yeah.
Oh, got it. Horn, Tom.
Does he come back? Yeah, that's her phone number as well.
Thank you. Let's.
When do you come back, Mr. Dako?
Good morning, ma'am. I come back on the 20 exactly on the 26th. I'll be here. I'll be back, and that's a Sunday.
Oh, okay. We'll do April 3rd. Let's go on the. Go ahead, Mr. Petway.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry to ask again. April 3rd, I start a rotation in Detroit receiving floors. It's a floor service, and it's a day once, and I would not be able to take it, unfortunately. It's a very busy floor service. We take 20 patients per day, ma'am, admitted patients at Detroit receiving.
Ms. Hermes, I don't know what to tell your client. I mean, I can do the next day after that, or I mean, I can't keep.
I think we could try for like I'll try for the 4th. Yeah.
April 4th.
Mm-hmm.
Judge, could we do that?
Yes, April 4th.
Thank you, Judge.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Oh, here's Ms. Horn right here. Ms. Horn.
Good morning, yes.
We were just about to call Mr. Dayco. I know you gave an offer of a 6-month delayed sentence, but he has retained counsel. She would like to speak to you further. I
Okay.
don't know. I'm sorry, Ms. Sokolowski.
It's okay. I know it's hard to pronounce. You could say
No,
Hermes.
I didn't pay attention. I didn't see it, Ms. So, is it Sokolowski?
Sokolowski, yes.
Sokolowski.
That's fine. You said it.
Sorry about that. Ms. Sokolowski, I don't know if she has time, but to speak with you, but she wanted to speak.
Oh, absolutely, Judge. I'm here for the rest of the morning. I'm done in the other courtrooms.
Do you have time, Ms. Sokolowski, or?
I would like an opportunity. Yeah.
Okay.
If Ms. Horn is ready right now, we're ready.
Yep, we can go into breakout room.
Yeah.
And I will, let's see, room. So there is retained counsel here, so I'll take a look at those shortly. Werbling, and then we do have officers. Okay. So I'll meet you in room 3. Is that okay?
Sure, Mr. Petway, can you get us there?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want your client in with you?
No, let me talk to Ms. Horn alone.
Okay,
Yes.
she's in 3. And
Okay.
Mr. Dayco, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until your attorney comes back, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ms. Horn, I'll need to speak to you on 1 or 2 of my clients also.
Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you